Hey guys, yes, it's me, Lily again. Yes, this is another slime video. As you guys can tell by this what Lily's going to be mixing in. What she's going to be mixing with, and I have some other things for me. And we're just going to be gathering weird ingredients that we find, and we're going to try making slime with it. But first, we need to be done cleaning. Bye-bye. Bye. Guys, so I am back. I'm done cleaning. I'm going to wait for her to come back. And she's sleeping. And that's Valerie. Alright, bye-bye. 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 Hurry up, bye-bye. Guys, I'm going to move the camera. So this is where we are now, but I'm going to wait for her to come. She's back. Yay. Yay. Okay, so we moved places as I told you guys, and then we have our things. And we're just gonna be right back when we are done choosing out our weird things. You know, got my hair. Look. Okay, so we're back, and we found weird things that we never tried making slime with. I thought this would be a great way to make slime with lotion, and I thought this would kind of activate it, so I'm going to add some spray deodorant. And last but not least, if it doesn't activate it, I'm going to add some borax with water. And this one doesn't count as an ingredient. We're both going to be using this one. Okay, I'm going to start. Wait, what? You didn't even tell them what you got. Oh, and then I got this push on nail polish glue, and it is glue, but I don't think it's gonna work with this type of glue. Nail polish glue. Yeah, nail polish glue. I mean, brush on nail polish. And this, what she got is right there. You guys can't really see it. It's baby oil gel. And the borax with water doesn't really count, as I said. So yeah, let's get started. So first, I'm gonna add my lotion, and we'll be right back when we're done. Oh my, I can't even. It doesn't pause. Yes, it does. Guys, so both of ours was a fail. Mine is too liquid. Instead of going to turn into slime, I add a couple more borax, and if it doesn't work, then I'm just giving up a little bit more. It makes a big smoke. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you guys could. I know hers worked, but it got hot because the thing that she was using is hot glue with chemicals inside. Your fingers feel so rubbery. And mine is too watery. So let's get on to the next ingredients. I will be right back when we're done choosing them out. Guys, we are back again. I used toothpaste. She's using toothpaste. I'm using perfume. Because this actually is some activator, people say. And then I'm using Vaselina. It's like kind of like baby oil, but hard. Ow, I hit myself. And then, last but not least, we're using borax with water. Again, this is the real activator for us. Oh, that wet me. Wait, you're not supposed to microwave it yet. Come, fast. She's going to be using toothpaste, and I don't know what else she's going to be using. I'm going to use a microwave. That's not an ingredient. Maybe borax? That's not an ingredient. That doesn't count. Perfume? That's mine. I'm going to take it. Okay, I'll find something. She'll be right back. So I'm going to use water. She's using toothpaste and water and the microwave. That's not an ingredient. Really, that's something that you can put it in. So yeah, we'll be right back when we're done. Okay guys, so mine was a total fail. It still kind of feels like the Vaseline. Look at this, guys. It looks like mashed potatoes. But it still feels like it, except that I could carry this. This is a good thing. So I think this is a win. Because this is kind of stretchy and stuff. So I think it kind of did make slime. And hers? Have you even had the borax yet? No, I have to wait for it to cool down a little. So we're going to have to wait an hour. Both of our words are fell again. And it still looks like the Vaseline and hers is now turning into slime. Now we're gonna get on to the next ingredients. Guys, so I'm not even done getting my things because it took really long to clean, so I'm gonna go get them just right now. Guys, so she is ready. She's gonna be doing this part because she has other things and I don't. So go. You're not gonna do it? I have nothing. You have all the good things.
So the first thing is hand sanitizer. And the second thing, I guess, is eye drops. But they're like for allergies. Well, I mean like red eyes. Bless you. Okay, now I'm gonna start mixing it. I hope it works.
And anyway, I have to still wait for this to dry because it's all greasy.
Smells pretty good.
This is hand sanitizer. I'll try making slime with this candy that I had from a long time ago. I only had a little bit, so I have to cut it open. I'm trying to get some out. That's how much slime I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make 2 drops only. Now 3. Now 4. Now 5. No. That's all I had. I'm just gonna add some water to see if it works. I'll be right back. Guys, we're not gonna show you if it worked out or if it didn't because someone here is mad. So yeah, that was it for today. I'm just gonna show you guys mine. I don't know if she wants to show you guys theirs, but mine turned out watery and that was it for today. So yeah, bye. Guys, so I changed my mind. We're gonna make 1 more slime. We're gonna go get the and I'll be right back. Guys, so I already got my thing. She hasn't. I'm adding some gel. Some eye drops. And if it doesn't work together, I might add some borax. If it still doesn't work, I'm gonna add some more eye drops. I might even add water. Guys, if we keep on drinking water, we're sorry. It's because we are thirsty. So we'll be right back when she's done. Guys, so we guys want some? Here. We'll actually show you guys some dish soap and this, and some cornstarch. Yeah. We'll be right back when we're done. Guys, so this was a fail. Mine is liquidy. Hers didn't work either, so we'll be right back.
Okay, you guys, so that's it for today's video, and please like and subscribe. And I think that's all. Bye.